My name's Andy, and today I'm learning to pilot this 9,000-pound mech suit from Exosapien. This is Prosthesis from Exosapien Technologies. This is not some art project. This is a 9,000-pound mech suit. It can walk, it can scale hills, it can crush things, and I'm about to attempt to learn how to pilot it. From Iron Man to Pacific Rim, all the way back to Aliens. For decades, we've gotten glimpses from Hollywood at what human-powered exoskeletons could look like. But this isn't science fiction. Prosthesis is an 18-foot tall, 15-foot wide human-driven mech. Prosthesis can run, climb, lift cars. It can even cross rivers. But it can't do any of that on its own. Though Prosthesis is powered by a lithium-ion battery, it takes a specially trained pilot to control its 4 identical legs. And today, that pilot is me. Woo! Exosapien co-founder Jonathan Tippett spent more than a decade designing and building Prosthesis. What inspired you to make this suit?
So I wanted to make a machine that sort of captured that age-old pursuit of human skill and mastery, but combined it with super modern technology in a novel way that was not automated. And I spent a good 4 years just doing engineering calculations, dreaming up the design and the architecture, and it started out being sort of a guerrilla-themed project, and then I realized it was a sport, and then it took on a sports machine look. You're connected to the machine through all 4 of your limbs. Your arms operate these 2 outside legs with the red stripes on them, and your legs operate the 2 big tubular legs that you see closer to the center of the machine. These are the bumper bars. These are the hardest working part of the machine. That's what you fall on when you fall over. The whole sort of concept of these machines is that the pilot is in control. And the question we ask new pilots is, what skills do they have that they think might lend themselves to being a good mech pilot? People with good body awareness, just gymnasts, snowboarders, motocross riders, mountain bikers, that tends to have a correlation. Having good rhythm, like if you're a good dancer or you play a musical instrument, that seems to help because there's a rhythmic element to the kinematics of the machine.
All right, well, if dancing skills are an indicator, I'm in some serious trouble, but I think I'm ready to give it a go. So if you're ready to teach me, let's do this.
Absolutely, let's strap you in.
All right.
Okay, your legs are locked in.
All right.
And then your forearms go in here, and there's your grips. That's your piloting position.
I feel like a pilot.
One thing we've done lately is a ride-along, which is actually kind of fun.
This will kind of be like having the training wheels on.
Yeah, yeah. You'll hit cowboy. And then you'll just move. That's why it's called cowboy mode.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Okay. All right.
And then slowly down. I'm gonna get out now. So it's a light touch.
It's a really light touch.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's not that you're struggling to lift it. The key is control and smoothness.
Yeah.
That's what the name of the game is for all these drills.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. That's just like the first time my dad tried to teach me to drive.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get out of the car now. All right.
All right, the mech is yours.
All right. Set up.
So we'll do 5 more and then we'll do a check-in. That's great. Notable improvement from push-up 1 to push-up 5. How you feeling?
It's funny, on the way down, you can almost let gravity, it almost feels like you're letting gravity do the work. You just give it a really light touch. The way up, it seems to kind of fight you a little bit more.
Yeah, you're more in control, which means it's more demanding on the way up. Yeah. Thinking about operating the controls and not the machine. Okay. Because the machine is a big complex thing. All your body can really relate to is the controls. Okay, so I think you got front push-ups sufficiently mastered to move on to back push-ups.
All right.
The mech is yours. Nice. You got that one under your belt real quick. I'd say that's good enough.
That felt great.
Well, let's get you standing up.
All right. Here we go. Good.
Perfect. Yes!
Woo!
He's up! Woohoo!
All right. Wow.
Welcome to the Mech Pilots Club.
Feel like a mech pilot.
And then just reverse that. Go nose first. Beautiful. Smooth as silk.
All at once?
All at once.
All right, guys. No laughing.
That's great.
Woo.
Nice.
They're not fighting each other, but they're all feel like they're going in different directions a little bit.
Yeah, just do a couple of squats and then you can start playing with it a bit. That's great. That's a good place to conclude lesson 1. You did awesome.
Fantastic.
Straight to standing, man. That was awesome.
That is a wild feeling. This is insane. This is one of the most fun things I've ever done.
Right on.
Okay, you're probably wondering how long it took me to, make the mech actually walk. Well, we never got there. For most trainees, it takes days before they're walking in prosthesis. But there was one more thing we wanted to see before calling it a day.
You want to watch me flip a car?
Let's do it. Even though the point of today was to experience what it's like to pilot a giant mech suit, we weren't going to pass up an opportunity to see Prosthesis destroy something. Since this was more advanced piloting than my few hours of training would cover, Jonathan agreed to show us how it's done. So what's next for Exosapien and its giant mech suit? Jonathan says the next generation mech will make this one look like an antique, smaller and 3 or 4 times more powerful. The ultimate goal is to turn mech suit piloting into a professional sport. He plans to bring in pro athletes with different backgrounds and let them face off in metal-on-metal competitions.
Picture American Ninja Warrior meets monster trucks. Like giant obstacle courses, puzzles, like giant physical puzzles, balance beams, objects to move out of the way. 3 or 4 of these things going head to head, shoulder to shoulder to get across a course.
what a day that was. I can honestly say I've never experienced anything like it. I really want to thank the guys over at Exosapien for setting this up. This was so much fun. We can't wait to do it again. But I want to know what you guys think. Would you guys want to pilot this? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CNET for more like it.